What's up, guys? Welcome to OK Cooks.
On today's episode, we're turning these
into these loaded potato chips. Let's get cooking.
Alright, so you're probably wondering, how are we going to slice these chips?
I am.
The Spiralizer.
That looks frightening.
It's really simple to use. Let's take you through a demonstration now. And that's how the Spiralizer works.
Wow, it was really that easy.
It was.
All right, Alex, let's talk to him about this water bath.
So a key aspect of making chips is you want to soak the potatoes in an ice bath. You can just do cold water, but it's helpful to have the ice and a little bit of salt in there as well. And that pulls the starch out of the potatoes so they get crispier.
Water bath.
So we're gonna keep these potatoes in this water bath for about 30 minutes to pull out all the starch before we get our fry on.
Now that the potatoes are bathing nicely, it's time to get started on our creamy jalapeno ranch sauce that we'll be drizzling all over these bad boys.
Let's get started on that creamy ranch sauce.
Let's do it.
First things first, with any ranch sauce, we're gonna have 3/4 cups of mayonnaise.
Perfect. That's a lot of mayonnaise.
Following up the greatest base to all ranch dressings, 3/4 cups sour cream.
That's technically also a base to all great ranch dressings. Ranch dressings.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Nothing but net, baby.
Oh.
Let's bring the spice level up. Let's add 3/4 cups of jalapenos. Pickled jalapenos.
With juice and all.
Juicy, baby.
We just brought the heat level up. Let's bring the heat level down. 1/2 cup of milk. Let's add a little zest of garlic. We're gonna have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, I know what you're thinking. Let's go ahead and keep it.
Classy, baby.
1 packet of ranch seasoning mix.
That stuff's great. It's good on anything, really. Sprinkle it on popcorn. Game changer. Oh God, you're gonna make a mess.
We're gonna need a knife for this last ingredient. The juice of 1 lime.
Look at that cut. Perfect cut. I'm covered in lime.
First half, you wanna do the
Ran
second
down.
half?
Yeah, I'll do it. Let's do it the old-fashioned way.
That's it.
That's it.
Let's go and blend this bad boy.
Blend it.
And that's our creamy jalapeno ranch.
Alex, what else comes on loaded potato chips?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Bacon, obviously, and onion. Let's rough chop those up, get them in the pan, and start sweating them down. All right, now that you've got the bacon and the onion and the garlic in the pan, it's time to get these potatoes drying out and get ready to fry them. We laid out a bunch of paper towels, and we're gonna pull the potatoes out of the water, pat them dry on the paper towel. Because you know, water and oil don't mix.
Let's go ahead and get these potato chips into the 350 degrees oil. We're just gonna put a few in at a time, not a lot. We're gonna cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once they start to turn light brown, we're gonna pull them out. Those look good, let's take them out. Let's add a little bit of salt. A little bit of cracked black pepper.
All right, we're taking the last batch out. About to get them layered up in the pan.
Wow. So now that we got those swirly potato chips done, let's get them in our pan so we can get them onioned up, we can get them baconed up, and we can get them.
That's it.
We're gonna add a little layer of freshly grated sharp cheddar. More chips. Let's do more chips. Like, can you ever have enough layers?
I don't think so.
Gosh.
This is a perfect amount of chips.
We're gonna eat all of this.
Oh yeah. This is gonna be a long video.
Is that some more cheese?
Yep.
Got all that in.
Yeah, pretty close.
Let's add a little bit of our bacon onion mix.
Yeah.
Let's add a little bit more cheese.
You're painting a picture right now. It's a work of art.
Like I feel like
Tell me how you feel.
feel like this is how
Tell me.
Picasso felt when he was getting his paint on. He was like, man, it's like I'm making a
Heaping pile of cheesy chips.
but I'm actually painting. I'm Picasso. All right. We got those layered up. Let's go ahead and get them in the oven. Get this cheese real nice and melty.
Worth it.
Let's go ahead and finish it off with a little bit of our ranch dressing that we made earlier and a little bit of green onion.
Let's do it.
That is our loaded potato chips. Okay, cook style. You know what time it is?
Time to taste it.
Let's eat.
Oh, God.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm feeling that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that jalapeno ranch?
Dude, France. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. This might be the best thing that we've made.
You think so?
This is so good.
This is number one?
I don't know, that fried bologna sandwich.
I know, that comes to me in my dreams.
Wow. The flavor of the bacon and onion and garlic mixture combined with this sauce, France. Next level.
It's so good. The part that's really coming to the top to me is the crispiness. You get the salt and the pep. You get the salt and pepper of the chips. They're super crispy.
Very crispy.
You get a little bit of the char of the onions because the onions got a little bit of a char on them. Get that bacon,
Oh,
that cheddar,
everything.
and then you get that jalapeno ranch.
France.
It's a perfect combo. Whoa.
Getting crazy. This is just like a classic appetizer meal, you know, that you get at a restaurant.
Oh, hi, my name's David. Welcome to Applebee's.
Yeah.
What would they call us? They always come up with good names.
I don't know.
Apple pie of meltness.
What? What did you say?
Apple pie of meltness.
Apple pie of meltness?
Because it's Applebee's. They'd be like, this is our apple pie.
Sure.
Does that not make sense?
No, I get it.
You want a different name?
Yeah, I might not pick that one.
Chip pie of meltiness. We did it.
We did.
We took potatoes and we turned them into loaded potato chips.
Yeah.
If you liked what you saw here today,
Like, subscribe, click that notification bell.
final bite.
Let's do it.
Bye.
Let's get cooking! All right. Okay. What else comes on loaded potato chips?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We have bacon, we have onion, and just bacon and onion.
The base to any great ranch. Let's go ahead and rotch up the...
Rotch it up. Let's rotch it up.
Let's rot...
Wait, let's start this over.
You're such a chip head.